You felt it. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. That sound you heard that wasn't from your room, that voice that wasn't yours, that touch on your arm when no one was there, that shift in air pressure, it was real. Your brain wants to explain it obeyed because that's what brains do. They prefer the familiar. They call everything just imagination because imagination feels safe and controllable. But you know the difference. Imagination is something you create. Shifting is something you receive. When you imagine, you are the painter. When you shift, you are the traveler. The world meets you. You have doubted yourself for too long. You have minimized your own experiences because you're scared of being wrong. But here's the truth. Your nervous system does not lie. That tingling, that weightlessness, that is not your imagination working overtime. That is your awareness touching another frequency. You are not making this up. You are not desperate. You are a sensitive person with a permeable consciousness. And that permeability, the same thing that makes you exhausted in crowds, that makes you feel music in your bones, that makes fiction feel more real than real life, that same permeability is your shifting engine. You felt it. Trust that. The doubt is just fear wearing a logical hat. Fear of being wrong, fear of being called crazy, fear of wanting something so badly that you'll believe anything. But you not believing anything, you are believing your own senses, and your senses are honest. That flash of a doctor room you saw with your eyes closed? Real. That conversation you overheard for 3 seconds? Real. That sensation of someone brushing your hair? Real. That moment when you forgot you had a body? Real. Stop apologizing for your own experience. The only person who needs to trust your shifting experiences is you. And you are learning to trust yourself right now. Every time doubt rises, you say, I felt it. It was real. I don't need to explain it. Every time comparison whispers other people shift for hours, you say, my experience is mine. A second of real contact is still real. Every time shame tries to label you as delusional, you say, delusion is pretending I don't feel what I feel. I am done pretending. You are a credible witness to your own life. You felt the shift. You felt the shift. You felt the shift. Not maybe, not I think, you felt it. The doubt is a protector that has served you in other contexts. But here, right now in this practice, you can thank the doubt and set it down. You don't need it anymore. You have something better, direct experience. And direct experience says, shifting is real. What I felt was real. I am not confused. I am not lying to myself. I am finally telling myself the truth. You felt it. It's real. You can trust yourself. You do trust yourself. The shift is real. You are real. And you are allowed to believe what you lived. Now breathe that in. You felt it. It's real.